So we are going to start the morning with a little e-bike ride, This is some nice scenery here. Bumblebees. Hello, bumblebee. You look very busy this morning. What is he doing or she? There's another busy bee. They look very fuzzy too. So I found a really nice rock. So this is the rock that I'm sitting on. The water is so still. This is the ocean here. And that's, I think, on somebody's property, so I'm not going to get on it, but like that's literally one full rock. That's a beach. It's cool, eh? And there's blueberries here too. More pretty roses. Whoa, a whole whack of blueberries. Yum, yum, yum. Alright, so we're going to continue on. Oh, that one's beautiful. I think that might be my favorite beach there. Well, there's many to come. Right over here. Somebody's trying to pass me. Aha! This is the inn where the mean lady came out and started shouting at me to get off her property because I was picking up some beach rocks and her pit bull chased me. Yeah, there it is again. That's that beach house. I'll show you on the way back. Oh, here we have the negotiating booth. Let's talk. Please, it's just like one chocolate bar. One chocolate bar, what difference is that going to make? About 300 calories difference. You made a commitment to stay on this diet. What are you doing? What are you even thinking right now? It's just a Wonder Bar and like that little first bite where there's like a kind of like just a slight crunch. Let's get back to the bike ride, okay? Okay, so we got a giant church bell. It says 1884. Let's see if we can figure out where it came from before we ring it. So the bell was purchased from some bell makers in England. And the sad thing is this is a church that got torn down because the local government wouldn't provide the money to keep it up. It's so sad. There's a lot of remnants here though. That's a photograph of the inside of the church before they tore it down. I can't believe it was torn down. Anyway, that's literally like a photograph of what the inside looked like, and that's the outside. And there's the explanation of that the bell was purchased in the late 1800s from an England bell maker. Let's ring the bell, shall we? Oh, you really got to swing this thing. Really does sound like a church bell. Holy moly. Wow. So this was made in London. That I do understand. And we had to purchase it from J. Warner and Sons in London. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. We're back home now. And Kit Kat is having a nap on the dining room table right next to the Holy Bible. Great place to nap. Look at her cute little foot. God, I love her. Aw. Oh, hi, Kiki. Oh, she just said hi. Hi, Kiki. She's so pretty. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're definitely going to the beach, by the way.